Okay, here is the new Marquee Selection Tools demonstration. So let's start with an existing project. So this is a standard project. You can see this diagram. There are some blocks and a port, some connections, other specific elements. So here you have the standard selection tool in the palette. So let's see what's happened when I select this label. Nothing is selected. When I select this block, you see the port is not selected. Again, here labels are not selected. Only connections and block itself. One more. Again, nothing happened. Let's see in another diagram. Here you see when I select this, nothing is selected. Again, the ports are not selected. So to fix this, we've developed a new tool that we will see in the next section. Okay, so now I will show you the new tools. So first, we have to show it. And then you see the new icons. The first one is the standard marquee selection. The second one is the intersection selection. So the first one is basically the same as the standard tool, but now you can select labels and port. So it selects all what is inside of the rectangle. Labels, connections, blocks. You can then select whatever you want in the diagram. A single port, for example. The second tool is the intersection tool. That means you select all the elements that cross the rectangle, intersecting the rectangle. For example, blocks, labels, or connectors. In addition with that tools, we've developed additional features. So, for example, you can select nodes only, labels only, and connections only. Same for the second tool. You can select nodes only, labels only, and connections only. So let's see what does it mean, even if it's quite obvious, I think. Label, so then it's select all the labels, nothing else. If you select connections only, it selects the connector. And nodes only select only the blocks. Same with the intersection tool. So let's start with the nodes only. So it selects all the nodes that cross the rectangle. Labels And the same for connections. So this can be used like if you need to change the color of all the connection of your diagram, you just select all the connectors and change the color. The same for the nodes, for example. You select the nodes and then you change the fill color. Or if you need to move several elements, you select, here we go with labels only. You select the labels you need to move. Then you switch with the standard tool and you move it. So remember then, you cannot select labels with the standard tool. So you have to switch with the new tool, this one, and select it, then switch to the standard tool and move it. And that's it. It was the new selection tools for Papyrus.